Guests are coming in an hour. I gotta clean up the yard. Time for Greenworks. The 80-volt self-propelled lawnmower gets my lawn in tip-top shape. It's lightweight and battery-powered. Super quiet, too. So my neighbors don't get too annoyed. The Greenworks 80-volt brushless string trimmer, also battery-powered, has a speed trigger, letting me control the power, whether it be high or low. Ooh, look at that trim. The 80-volt handheld leaf blower gets bragging rights. It blasts through heavy wet leaves and is one of the most powerful battery-operated handheld blowers in the industry. And the Greenworks electric pressure washer washes all of the gunk off my patio furniture. I just plug in the 35-foot power cord and pull the trigger. Ta-da! Time to enjoy a job well done. Make all your yard dreams work at Best Buy.